SqueakyBee.com, 3D Printing Services South Wales, UK. Looking for high-quality 3D printed items or reliable 3D printing services? Look no further than our website, SqueakyBee.com. We specialize in creating unique and custom-made 3D printed items, from jewelry and accessories to garden and home decor to tech gadgets and sporting accessories. Our 3D printing services are top of the line, with fast turnaround times and competitive pricing. We use the latest technology and materials to ensure that every item we print is of the highest quality and precision. And with our expertise in design and engineering, we can help bring your unique ideas and concepts to life. Whether you're a business looking for a reliable partner for your 3D printing needs, or an individual looking for a one-of-a-kind gift or accessory, we've got you covered. Our team of skilled designers and engineers are committed to delivering the best possible results for every project. So why wait? Visit our website SqueakyBee.com today and browse our selection of 3D printed items, or contact us to learn more about our 3D printing services. Let us help you bring your ideas to life with the power of 3D printing. Like, share, subscribe, visit SqueakyBee.com, 3D Printing Services South Wales, UK today.